How to change currency in Expedia. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of Expedia or launch your app. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now what you have to do is click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now go ahead and click on this currency option. Now from here you can easily change the currency. In order to change the currency, you will need to select the region. On the basis of region you have selected, the currency will be automatically updated. So click on this drop down and select the country of your choice. The currency will be set according to the region you have selected. You can see that. So I'm gonna set it to France. The currency has been updated as Euro. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily change currency in Expedia. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.